3, 4. How do I play a groove something like that? It goes something like this. I'm a sucker for some inverted doubles, so that's what's all over this groove. If you've never done them before, I suggest you get pretty handy with them before trying this. Right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Basically what we've got is 2 groups of the same sticking, and the sticking is right, left, left, kick, kick, right. It's a group of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 of those. Right, left, left, kick, kick, right. Right, left, left, kick, kick, right. When you've got that group of 2 hi-hats in the middle, I play it as a tap and then an accent. Just helps to separate things out a little bit so you know where that group is starting again. So the only thing that's different about the second group of 6 is that when we have that double left on the snare drum, we're going to just add an accent on that second one. Just means we've got that backbeat in there. Now that last bit is just right, left, left. For that last left, we're going to add a crack on the snare drum. So all together so far, right, left, left, kick, kick, right, right, left, left, kick, kick, right, right. So we end on the and of 4. One more thing, just to make it sound a bit more groovy, is we put an extra bass drum at the very beginning on the 1. Just makes things sound a bit more cohesive. Sounds pretty nice, but takes quite a lot of work to get to sound quite clean because it's all very disjointed. All the more reason to play it because we like a challenge. A call to action is something we use in the entertainment industry to call the audience to action, to do a thing that we would quite like them to do. And I'm not one to tell people what to do. However, if you could like, comment, subscribe, that would be quite fantastic and I would love you forever. Maybe. Only one way you're going to find out. See you in the next video. Big love.